Okay, so I'm here to tell you what a birth doula is, what are the benefits of having a doula, why you should hire one for your birth specifically. So, a birth doula is a professional support person. We are trained in the physical needs, the emotional needs, and the practical needs of a woman during her pregnancy and her laboring process. So, we offer non judgmental support. We offer guidance. We offer evidence based information. And then that more practical hands on support when you're actually delivering your baby. And so, specifically, my goal, as well as the goal of so many other doulas, is we want to empower women and give them a confidence when it comes time to birth their baby. And the sad reality is a lot of women go into their labor knowing little to nothing about what the whole process looks like. Um, and they place so much trust in their providers, especially first time moms that have never experienced this before. And they don't necessarily know all of the options at hand. They may hear an option, but it is portrayed to them as something that is mandatory when in reality, it is just an option. And you, as the birthing mama, get to decide the final outcome. And that's what I want to do. I want to provide you with an array of information, all of your options, prenatally, during your labor, and postpartum. I want to prepare you as much as possible. And I want you to know that you are my priority above all else. All of my personal preferences and opinions will go to the side, and I will give you information, and then you get to make that informed decision. And so I'll help you with that, and then we'll kind of accumulate all of your options into what you desire the most, and then we'll form a birth plan. Which is just your desires that you want to be met during the labor process. Something else that I'll help you with is emotional support. So there's so many emotions that go into pregnancy and labor. And I want to sit and I want to talk with you about your concerns and your questions surrounding birth. And I want to answer those in a loving and sincere and genuine way. I want you to know that I truly care about you, and I want you to have a positive birth experience. I will advocate for you. Sometimes women's voices can be muddled, um, and they don't always feel seen and heard and valued. So I will come to an understanding of what you desire when it comes to your birth, whether that's a hospital birth, a birthing center, or at your home. I will come to an understanding and I will advocate for you when needed. I will never speak over you, I will never speak for you, but I will just speak alongside you, and I will partner with you, and I will champion you in accomplishing what you desire. And then I'll offer comfort measures. We'll talk about breathing techniques to help you during labor. We'll talk about different laboring positions that can offer some pain management and other pain management options, birthing combs, whatever that looks like. And then if you are receiving an epidural or having a C-section, we'll talk about that too in detail. Whatever you choose for your birth, that's where we're going to go, and we're going to run with that and give you as much information as possible, so you have a boost confidence, a boost self-esteem. Some of the benefits that come with a doula is that boost self-esteem. There is a 31% decrease of pain medication use. That's Pitocin, epidural, other interventions. The C-section rate when you have a doula decreases by 28%. Newborns being admitted into the NICU special care unit is decreased by 14% when you have a doula. The satisfaction overall of your birth when you hire a doula, that satisfaction rate is increased by 34%. There's other things like the duration of your labor is shortened when you have a doula. You have an increase in mobility, which leads to a decrease in pain. There's so many wonderful benefits that come with a doula. And that's just my passion. I keep going back to this. My passion is you. You and you alone, not me, not your medical provider, not even your family members that may be trying to give you their opinions on the matter, but it's you. It's what you want to do. It's what you know is best for you and your baby. And like I said, we're going to take that, we're going to run with it. We'll create a birth plan. And then I will advocate for you as necessary. But that is what a birth doula is. That is why I believe everyone should have a birth doula in addition to their medical provider.